Limpopo now, where Polokwane residents are struggling with water shortages, and Mayor John Mpe is laying the blame squarely on the Lephelle Northern Water utility. He reckons the utility can't meet its obligation or contractual obligations to supply the city with the agreed amount of water a day. Ndweleni Mphephu, Lephelle Northern Water Board's chairperson, joins us now to tell us what he thinks. Thank you very much, sir, for your time here on All Angles. So what's your response to the mayor saying that you did not meet your contractual obligations, that you were only at some point pumping about 30% of water compared to the required 100%?
Thank you very much. Yes, we had experienced some challenges. We need to provide Polokwane Water, Polokwane municipality, with 59 megaliters per day. And of that 59, 82 must be coming from Ebenezer and 27 must be coming from Olifansport. We had challenges with operation and maintenance, but we managed to address that now. And the team is on site and the water is back. We are able now to provide Polokwane almost with 100% of what we should provide. Polokwane must also provide 40 megaliters per day as well to the system. But yes, we had some challenges from Lephelle Northern Water, which we have addressed.
What exactly are those challenges?
It is the challenges related to the schemes that we are running. As I said, Olifansport had experienced challenges with the pumps. Pumps were taken away. It took long for the pumps to come back. So we had a situation where one pump was working instead of two pumps working. And subsequent to that, we managed to source pumps from private sector that are now currently being used, and hence we have got the water. It's a temporary solution, but the team is on site now ensuring that we can fix that pump, and hence we are building capacity within Lephelle to ensure that we can deal with the water around Polokwane or the whole of Limpopo province.
What was hindering you from, infrastructure development or maintenance? Was that also another issue, because that's what you were also blamed for?
There has been an issue with old infrastructure, and that is the challenge that we experience, whether it's Water Services Authority or Lephelle Northern Water. Our infrastructures are old. Hence, now the infrastructure fund has given us 4.5 billion. In that 4.5 billion, that's what we are going to use to refurbish all our infrastructure, that we will be adding 60 megaliters per day. Of which 40 will go to Polokwane, and the rest will go to Sekhukhune and the Capricorn district. But that 4.5 billion is because of the old infrastructure. So we inherited that, and hence we are working, and we would like to thank the president of the infrastructure fund that has given us that 4.5 billion as a start now for the next 3 years, and that will increase to 18 billion to ensure that we address the issue of Polokwane and the rest of Capricorn and other municipalities.
And the mayor saying that they had spoken to you before numerous times about this issue and had to then suddenly approach the national government. Why did it have to come to that point?
Because it has been an ongoing issue, which we accept, and that we have got a contract with Polokwane municipality to say we must give them 59 megaliters per day. And at a point where we are not giving them, they've got the right as our customer to complain because people are not getting water in town mainly and other areas around Polokwane. But they know that we have been working and communicating with them when we have got challenges. For example, we had a program where we upgrade Spec-on pipeline, which is one of the pipeline that was giving us headache. We have already, out of 28 kilometers, we upgraded 21. We are left with 7 kilometers, which we are now prioritizing so that we don't have a challenge of pipe burst due to this old infrastructure that we currently have.
So you use the word prioritize when it comes to the 7 kilometers. Is that going to come from this 4.5 million rand you mentioned? Just break down for us what will you be looking at immediately from this point, and the timeline to which you see yourselves being able to function at an adequate capacity.
So the first priority is to build the internal capacity so that we don't rely on service providers in terms of fixing our pumps, fixing our motors. And that we have given the mandate to our chief executive officer, who's well vested with civil engineering. And we are ensuring that we can address that. That's one. Two, we are ensuring that the spec-on pipeline, which keep on having failure, is fixed with immediate effect. And three, with the 4.5 billion that is allocated, we will upgrade the plant to ensure that it gives us another 60 megaliters that will be fed in, that will be given to Polokwane, 40 megaliters. So that's what we are doing, and the refurbishment of all the pipeline. 3 years, that's the main focus.
And we know that the SIU is also investigating Lephelle Northern Water as well. So let's see if there was any corruption in why services were not delivered to the people of Polokwane. Thank you very much for your time here on All Angles. That was Lephelle Northern Water's board chairperson, Dr. Ndweleni Mphephu.